So this is the Stormont House, the Stormont building in Belfast, where we are currently making a visit as well. Níbi tí a fẹ́ fi wọ́n ra wa pé lọ́jọ́ iwájú láìpẹ́ yìí bí àwa náà ṣe máa láǹfààní láti lè lọ sílẹ̀ Yorùbá wa tí a máa ní parliament, tá a máa ní system of government wa tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá. Òun náà ni à ń lọ níwájú báyìí kó tó di pé a ṣe máa bọ́lẹ̀ bọ̀ ká máa wo àwòrán yẹn lọ. Mo kí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa ní Belfast láti orí àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n wa tí wọ́n ń ṣe káràmásìkì pé kíran Yorùbá ká má gbàgbé ẹ̀ torí ẹlòmíì ti gbàgbé bíyàn bá wà lẹ́yìn odi pẹ̀lú wàhálà tá à ń ṣe ká tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ká tó tọ́jú ọmọ ká tó tún wá máa rántí ilé iṣẹ́ ńlá ni kò ṣiṣẹ́ kékeré. So mo kí gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n wa tí a bá ní Belfast tí wọ́n ṣe ìtọ́jú wa láti ìjẹta tí a ti dé. Ẹ̀wọ̀n náà ni a wá ní ká wá sí ilé tí a lè pè ní equivalent to Westminster lọ́dọ̀ tiwa torí pé bíyàn bá dèlú kan o gbọ́dọ̀ wá kí àwọn tó jẹ́ ọmọ ìlú gẹ́gẹ́ bí the government of their own house as be equivalent to Aso Rock. Òun náà ni ibi tí a wà yìí. A ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú àmọ́ tá bá ti park a wo gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́tún lósì, a wo kí la lè kọ́ kí la lè wò nínú ẹ̀ torí pé ní Nàìjíríà system of government kò ṣiṣẹ́. Òun náà la ṣe ń pariwo pé ká dá dúró kólúkálukú dá wà, kò mújà dání kò mógun dání, but ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní kò yá wọn pé kí nìkan tá à ń béèrè fún. In tá à ń béèrè fún ni pé our own system of government tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún ìrántí wa. Òun náà ni ìdí tí a ṣe ń pariwo pé a fẹ́ Yorùbá nation. A fẹ́ lọ páàkì ní tá bá ti park a máa fi gbogbo ẹ̀wọ̀n wa lọ́tún lósì nítorí pé it is worth visiting. It is worth visiting. And lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí èmi ni OLAYOMI KOIKI tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Koikimedia. Mo kí Mr. Kola, mo kí brother Olúṣesí, mo kí mama Bobo Yetunde's Kitchen àti Godfather àti gbogbo àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ tí wọ́n dúró ti bàbá wa Olóyè Ọmọ Adéyẹmọ. Ẹ̀yin náà bá rí pé system tó bá máa ṣiṣẹ́ kò ní ìdí wàhálà tó pọ̀, but system tó bá ní ṣiṣẹ́ ìyẹn ni wàhálà máa ń pọ̀ bí ti Nàìjíríà torí pé Nigerian system is a deliberate act bá ṣe máa ń sọ. Owó ọ̀fẹ́ jẹ́ kó ṣiṣẹ́ ni kò dẹ̀ sí àní-àní níbẹ̀, kò sí àní-àní kò ní ṣiṣẹ́. In tó bá ní ṣiṣẹ́ ò ní ṣiṣẹ́. That's just the fact, and many people need to understand that now, that we can cry from now to thy kingdom come. Nigeria is not designed to work. Ẹ jẹ́ kí mi gbé backpack mi lẹ́yìn irinṣẹ́ ti wà nìyẹn ìtawà fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn. So bóun wá ká pray láti ọ̀la sọ́túnla. Nigeria is never designed to work, and it is time that we accept that Nigeria should dissolve. But abani koma dissolve into my end up ni pé a lot of us will just be crying wolves, and it's either we let Nigeria dissolve peacefully so that kólúkálukú lọ ṣèjọba ara tiẹ̀, kò mú jà dání, kò sẹ́ni kankan tó ń báyàn kankan jà. So kò mú jà dání. Thank you. Kò mú jà dání. Ọmọlúàbí ni wá. Àwọn ọmọlúàbí ò dẹ̀ ń jà. Ọmọlúàbí Yorùbá ni wá. And we want to go. A náà ṣe Nàìjíríà mọ̀. Kí ni nǹkan tó wà nínú ẹ̀? Kò work. It is not working, and it is never going to work. and there's no amount of plead. Let everybody go their separate ways. That is the solution. The solution is let everybody go their separate ways. So that is the so that is the solution. But Tebawani Nigeria ma work ká gbìyànjú ká jọ ṣe kó work irọ́ gbìyànjú kankan ìgbìyànjú wa has come to an end. So as we always say, ilé-iṣẹ́ tiwa ilé-iṣẹ́ tó máa ń lọ mú bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ ní gbogbo ibi tí ó yẹ ká mọ̀ torí ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀ ẹlòmíì ò ní understanding ṣe lẹ́lòmíì kan tẹ̀ ń bínú pé pé Yorùbá nation tẹ̀ ń sọ yìí kí ló wá lè tó yìí nítorí pé wọ́n mọ̀ ni ntíyàn bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ kò mọ̀ náà ni. So whether ẹ fẹ́ ẹ kọ̀, we must exit Nigeria. That is a fact, because Nigeria is a crime scene. So mo kí gbogbo wa ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ dá camera padà because mo mọ̀ bí wọ́n máa fẹ́ kí lo camera ní bíbá. So you can see that is where we are coming. Sorry. So welcome to the Parliament building. So Parliament building, Northern Ireland Assembly. So ibeni Hawaii. So so thank you. So I'm gonna go through security. So I'm gonna go through security for now. So I'm gonna put camera just to go through security. Oh yeah, you see. So Tabati Shetani security. Then we come back. So I can go through security. Hello. Yeah, can I use the big one?
You need to put your bag
Yeah,
in.
Should I put it in there?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll take one of these.
Yep, please.
All right, cheers. So Abuja kẹ́ wọ́n ní jẹ́ kó wọlé. A ní Nàìjíríà kì í ṣe country. Nàìjíríà kì í ṣe country. So team Nigeria is not a country. So that is the beautiful view of Belfast. This is Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps as we continue to give us a tour to the Parliament building. The Parliament building, the Tamboy. So in Tenwo, the Northern Ireland Assembly. Parliament kankan ti Scotland wà, ti Wales wà, ti Northern Ireland òun lẹ ń wò yìí. So àmọ̀tẹ́gùn yìí get us in. So ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní understanding ìdí tí Yorùbá ṣe ń sọ pé a fi dá dúró ṣe ní ọkàn wọn ṣe ni wọ́n rò pé Yorùbá fi dá dúró yẹn bí níbo ló ti fẹ́ ọ̀ lè jẹ́ kó bàbá mi Stephen Ìdòwú mo kí níbo ló ti fẹ́ kó dé Aso Rock. So, yes. Okay, thank you. So, and that's exactly where we are right now. I might be known. Wow, this is so ọmọ Yorùbá, wake up, okay? Wake up so that we can get out of this contraction. Thank you, Nigeria. So contraction in Nigeria. I just offer we contraction ni kò ṣiṣẹ́, but púpọ̀ nù wa à ń fẹ́ òótọ́, irọ́ la fẹ́, and that's the reason why it's actually so we can go to Nigeria. It's not working. So bó ṣe ṣe fún wa nígbà tá a gba region, nígbà tá a ní regional government tolúkálukú ń ṣèjọba tiẹ̀, bọ̀ lẹ́ni nísìn. So, this building was opened 1932 and 1940. It was amalgamated in Nigeria. While this building was opened by King George, by Edward, Prince of Wales, on the 16th day of November 1932. So we're gonna go in. So again, so Teba will lay. So the foundation stone was laid by His Grace, the Duke of Abicon, KP, the first governor of Northern Ireland, on the 19th day of May 1928. Nígbà tí àwa náà gba regional government là ń ṣe dáadáa kó tó di gbọ́dọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀. So architect here lélẹ̀. So let's go inside and see what is happening right inside. Okay, we go and can see. Thank you. How are you?
Oh, good. How are you?
Well, from London, it's nice. I'm privileged to be here. You know.
So you can
Thank you
just
so
wear that.
much.
So with your camera, there's no video and
Okay,
you know,
just
did
video.
someone already-
All right then.
Take as many photos.
That's not a
as
photo.
there's no video.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. So I'm gonna end the late. So we'll take pictures and we'll show you later. Have a very good afternoon. Bye for now. So I respect your fee.